Okay, there's a question about these four types here. They're actually, although I don't know if I can, let's see if I can do this, okay? So we have universal specification. Remember we did for every X, some proposition, let's do it this way. For every X, X, 2X equals X plus X, okay? So here's a proposition. It's saying, so the idea here is, this is a universal statement. It's saying something about everything. Specification is saying, okay, what this means is I can go to I can replace this with a particular but arbitrary value. So I want to be able to just get rid of the universal specification, say, if for every X, 2X equals X plus X, then 2 times any particular value, an arbitrary value, is equal to XA plus X. So these are, XA is an arbitrary or typical value. So it enables you to go from a general statement to one about particular ones. So let's look and see where there's one here. I have to prove that for all sets A, the empty set is a subset of that set. So it's like a weird statement. The empty set is supposed to be a subset of any set. Well, I have to let X of A be an arbitrary set. That's an implication. See, this is for all sets. I've gone to an arbitrary one. Then we must prove this is the same form of this, but instead of like for all sets, I put an arbitrary one. So this first one here is going to be universal specification, because I've gone from a universal one to a specific one. Okay, then I might use that again here. And then the other way is a universal generalization just goes back. If you knew that 2XA equals XA plus XA, then you can say, and this is arbitrary, then you can conclude for every X, 2X equals X plus X. So it's sort of like going from the universal statement to the arbitrary but specific, or going from the arbitrary but specific to the universal statement. They're sort of opposites. And they allow you to talk about individual stuff in here. For example, if you look here, this form here looks a lot like this form here, except there's only this E here is universal, but this is specific. Then I go back here and I said, here's a specific form. Then I go back to this one. So this is probably going to be universal generalization, or this is another case of universal specification. Okay. So let me stop there with the, because I think for those you don't need the other one, the existential one, and I'll put something on Piazza about that.